In this video, we're going to be talking about a free RDP. We're going to use this platform, lambdatest.com, to get free RDP that we can use to browse the internet with the highest quality when it comes to internet connection and in different locations. So, for example, you can get RDPs on the US. You can use RDPs on, whenever you want. You can use it to create accounts in different countries. You can use it for all of the purposes that are you actually trying to get an RDP. This one is for free. You don't have to pay any money with the trial because this platform will give you a free trial. So this trial, I think it's enough for you, to test it and to do something that you want. For example, to create account, to upload or download or all of these stuffs that you can do. For example, right here, once you create an account, just click on create an account, enter your email, your name, create a password with your phone number, and everything will be alright. So as you can see right here, browse testing, because this platform they produce this product to test the browsing. So it's for browse testing and for app testing as well. If you have an application and you want to test it but you don't have all of this kind of different devices, you have an Android and you have an iOS application and you want to test it, so just go with app testing. As you can see right here, you can download it as an APK file and you can test it right here. But this is not what are we going to be talking in this video. We are going to use the browser or the free browser testing. So as you can see right here, first you need to choose the version or the device that are you going to be using. For example, desktop or mobile. Once we click on mobile, you have two options. You can get Android and Apple devices, iPhone and iPads, which is tablets. With Android, you get different, brands like Motorola, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Google, LG, Samsung, Amazon, Vivo. Do you have a Samsung, right? No, they have Sony. They don't have Samsung. I don't know. But you have the Galaxy, all of these devices, all its versions. But let's go just with desktop. So as you can see right here, we have Chrome. You can use it for Firefox, for Safari, for Edge, for Internet Explorer, for Opera, for Yandex. All of these browsers, you can use them as an RDPs with different OS versions. For example, you can use it with Windows 11, with Windows 10, Windows 8. All of these devices you can use it with them. Here's the version. You can use all of these versions that are available for you on the free plan, which is this one. You have only the 91 and the 90 version to use it, and the resolutions as well. These resolutions, it depends on the screen. The resolutions are basically the width of the screen that you want to use. It doesn't matter, just leave it as it's by default and let's click on this one. So for example, that's it. So place your URL. It's Google. Let's just keep using Google and you don't have to do anything else, and let's click on start. And as you can see right here, hold tight, setting up your browser. Now it's setting up. So we have to wait a little bit. Okay. This is gonna be taking a while. I'm not sure. Okay, so right now they are creating the RDP or the browsers that are we gonna using. As you can see right here, and boom, I think we Yes, right now it's working right now. So for example, let's type something like what is my IP address? What is my IP address? Let's go and type what is. Oh, so we are, I think, on New Zealand, I think, right? Because as I can see, this is New Zealand. Dutch and Dutch. Okay, so I don't care about this option. Or okay, so just click right here. So I would type what is my IP address? Okay. Okay, please. Okay, just type it right. So as you can see, I will click on what is my IP address. I agree. And as you can see right here, yes. So this RDP is United Kingdom, as you can see right here on England. And the city is London. So this is an RDP. You can use it to create an account in a website that you are not allowed to create or to browse on your original country. You can use this website for free as an RDP to create accounts and all of this stuff. So a lot of people asking me about, okay, this kind of websites or platforms, they don't allow you to upload any files on all of this stuff. Hey guys, just try to use your brain a little bit, to be smarter a little bit. As you can see right here, once I click on here, I can do something like Mediafire. Okay, Mediafire. Okay, once I click on Mediafire, you can create on your PC an account. This site can't be reached. Why? I don't know. I think I need to use a VPN right here or something like extension. May be temporarily done, or it may have to move to permanently to a new website. Okay, something like Google Drive. Just go to sign in Google Drive. Okay, so just Google Drive, for example. So you can upload files right here on your original PC on something like this files, Google Drive or all of this stuff, and just copy the files from this page. From the file, just click on copy the file and go to your, for example, for your YouTube channel, and just click on paste. You can just move files this way from a website to another one. Or for example, try to upload your create a Canva account right here. Okay, on this RDP, open your Canva account and upload your video on Canva as a video, and try to publish your video from Canva into your YouTube channel. You can do this. This is one of the features that you can use on Canva for free. So even if it's not a full RDP that you can use with a remote, with the extension that comes with your PC to get connected in, and it's open another screen and all of this stuff. But this one's still for free, because with others, with other remote control desktops, yes, they provide you with a free version, but it's not that good. This one is really fast when it comes to the connection. Let's say something like fast.net. Is it that fast? No. Okay, let's just try to test the fast net, something like that. Fast.com. Look at this connection. It's 2 gigabytes. It's really fast, as you can get advantage of this connection. So all the people are asking me about, can we use this one for mining? Well, if you mean mining something like this kind of browsers, or this you know, this websites that are allowing you to mine some tokens. Yes, you can do this, but you can't upload this applications, because this isn't a laptop that you can use directly. This is just a browser, just to be more realistic, guys. So yeah, that was everything for today's video and for this website. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next video, guys.